after 12th, and in today's video we'll be learning about a very unique concept, that is the divisibility of a factorial number by the highest power of any number. ठीक है, आज के वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि किसी फैक्टोरियल नंबर को अगर हमें डिवाइड करना हो और किसी नंबर की हाईएस्ट पावर से, तो वो किस तरीके से हम कर सकते हैं. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग ऑफ फैक्टोरियल फर्स्ट. फैक्टोरियल n, ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड फैक्टोरियल n. दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज n and then an exclamation mark. This is the sign of factorial. Now it means that all natural numbers starting from n will be multiplied, all natural numbers starting from 1 will be multiplied till we reach the number n, right? अगर हमने n factorial लिया है, that means 1 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 10, we keep on going until we reach the number n. For example, if we take 5 factorial, that means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. If we take 7 factorial, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. So this is the meaning of factorial. Now, let's suppose 1 factorial, that is 1. 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1, which is 2. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. We can write it both ways. We can write 1 into 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 into 1, that's the same thing. 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. We can also write it the other way around, that is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that's the same thing. So this is 4 3s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. So the value of 4 factorial is 24. Now, till 4 factorials, any of the number is not divisible by 5 because it does not contain a factor 5. Now starting from 5 factorial, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, which is 120. Starting from 5 factorial, all other numbers, like 6 factorial, 7 factorial, 8 factorial, 9 factorial and so on, all higher numbers starting from 5 factorial will be divisible by 5 because they will contain a factor 5. Okay. Now, 5 factorial has 1 5, right? Now, if we calculate, let's suppose 10 factorial. 10 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. So this is 1 5. And this 10 can be broken down into 5 into 2. So we can say that 10 factorial contains 2 5s. So 10 factorial is divisible by 5 square, that is 25. Now let's suppose we talk about 15 factorial. So this is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to 10 and 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So here we have 1 5. In 10 we have another 5, that is 5 into 2. In 15 we have another 5, that is 5 into 3. So altogether in 15 factorial there are 3 5s, right? So we can say 15 factorial is divisible by 5 cube or 125. In other words, we can say that the highest power of 5 that can divide 15 factorial is 3, right? Now if we talk about 20 factorial, now 20 factorial can be written as 1 into 2 into 3 up to 15 we already have here, and then into 16 into 17 into 18 into 19 into 20. So here we have 1 5, here we have another 5, in 15 we have one more 5, in 20 we have one more 5. So altogether we have 4 5s, right? So we can say that the highest power of 5 which can divide 20 factorial is 4. So 20 factorial is divisible by 5 to the power of 4, right? One more example we'll take, 25 factorial. So 25 factorial can be written like this, into 20 into 21 into 22 into 23 into 24 into 25, right? So here we have 1 5, in 10 we have another 5, in 15 we have one more 5, in 20 we have another 5, but in 25 suddenly we have 2 5s. So altogether we have 6 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 25 factorial is divisible by 5 to the power 6, or we can say that the highest power of 5 which can divide 25 factorial is 6, 5 to the power 6. So this is a very tiring job. If we need to find out for a bigger number, let's suppose we need to find out 124 factorial. 124 factorial, or the question is find the highest power of 5 that can divide 124 factorial, right? We can write factorial in both ways, in this way also or in this way also. So the highest power of 5 that can divide 124 factorial. So it is very, very difficult to calculate it this way like we did for earlier values. As there were smaller values, we were able to do that. But for bigger values like 124 factorial or some other bigger value, it's not possible to calculate it that way, right? So what we do is we divide 124 by 5 to the power 1. Then we divide 124 by 5 to the power 2. Then we divide 125 by 5 to the power 3, and so on. But, we divide 124 by 5 to the power 3, and we keep on doing that until we reach a stage where the denominator becomes greater than the numerator, like in this case. 124 divided by 125, so the denominator is greater than the numerator. So we will not write this, we will calculate only till here. Okay, so this is 124 divided by 5 and this is 124 divided by 25. So how many times 5 can go in 124? 24 times, right? Because 5 into 24 is 120. 5 into 25 is 125, so that becomes higher. So we only have 24 5s going into 124. We only have 24 5s going into 124. Now, how many times 25 can go into 124? 25 into 4 times, that is 100. 25 into 5 becomes 125. So that becomes greater than 124. So that is not possible. Only 4 times 25 can go into 124, right? So altogether, the number of 5s that will, the highest power of 5 that will divide 124 factorial is 24 plus 4, that is 28. We can say 28. So the highest power of 5 that can divide 124 factorial is 28. Or in other words, we can say 124 factorial is divisible by 5 to the power 28. So 5 to the power 28 is the highest power of 5 that can divide 124 factorial. तो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी। तो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें, और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके आप बेल नोटिफिकेशन प्रेस कर लें ताकि हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियोज़ के सारे नोटिफिकेशंस आप तक पहुँचते रहें। थैंक यू।